Hello, today we will guide you through how to open a live account on IC Markets. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. This is simply the quickest way to find the official IC Markets website if you do not already have the direct link saved. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type in IC Market. As you search, make sure you are looking for the correct brand name so you can reach the official site and avoid unrelated results. When the search results appear, click on IC Markets. Take a brief moment here to confirm that you are selecting the official website before moving forward. This is an important habit whenever you are opening any kind of financial or trading account because it helps you stay on the legitimate platform. After the IC Markets website opens, look to the top right area of the page and click on Start Trading. This button will take you to the section where you can begin the account opening process. If the page takes a second to load, just wait for the next screen to fully appear before continuing. On the next page, click on Live Account. This option is for users who want to open a real trading account rather than a practice or demo account. Choosing the correct option here is important because a live account is the one used for actual trading and real deposits. Once you are on the live account registration page, enter the required details and follow the on-screen procedure. Read each field carefully and provide the requested information accurately. In most cases, this stage includes basic personal details and account setup information. It is a good idea to double-check everything before submitting, since even small mistakes can slow down the approval process. As you continue, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. The platform will guide you through each part of the setup, so take your time and complete each section carefully. If any instructions appear during registration, make sure to read them fully before clicking forward. And that's it. By going to Google, searching for IC Markets, opening the official website, selecting Start Trading, choosing Live Account, and then entering your details while following the on-screen steps, you can begin the process of opening your live account. Move carefully, review your information before submission, and complete each screen as prompted for the smoothest experience.